We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok, Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
After a week of working, editing, planning, and a few outings in Medellin, it's time for our next adventure in Guatape. Depending on your Colombia itinerary, you could simply take a day trip to Guatape from Medellin, but we would really encourage you to stay here at least 2 nights. Day 1 begins in Medellin, where we took a cheap Uber from our place in Laureles to the North Bus Terminal. There's food and drinks here if you need it, and we even had a guy briefly board the bus selling snacks. This was only like a $4 bus per person, and we even had a little free entertainment. About 2 hours later, we were treated to our first views of the lake and got excited seeing the rock for the first time, knowing we'd be standing on top of it later. A short walk from the bus stop is our apartment, Casa Doro Guatape. We paid about $44 a night and loved it. Here's a quick tour of the place. Hey, welcome to our Airbnb in Guatape, Colombia. Let's take a look around. Very beautiful kitchen, have everything we need for the week. Got nice refrigerator, all nice appliances and everything. Yeah, some nice personalized touches from the host, a little letter with some treats, and it is about to be Valentine's Day. Place to work for the week, to chill on the couch, and the bedroom.
Aww.
Beautiful.
So romantic.
The host offered, I was hinting at something Valentine's Day related. She said we could decorate it at no extra cost. So
that was so
nice.
Sweet of you guys.
You know, really a beautiful space, and we have a spot to sit outside. We're up on a second, third floor, and I think we're kind of interior
painting.
To the building. So
wow.
Not like there's big open views or anything, but it is very nice, open, some fresh air.
TV and mount, yay, TV.
The bath.
It's a very nice space.
Yeah,
this
really
is beautiful.
Shower,
wow.
Toilet area. Yeah.
Looks great. I'm excited to be here. Yay.
There's also a great restaurant, Koi Cocina Asiatica, conveniently located below Casa Dodo, and they even deliver your food to your room if you want. If the weather is nice and you have the energy, take advantage of it and visit what Guatape is most famous for, El Peñón, or the Rock. This 650-foot tall, 65 million year old monolith is an amazing natural feature and offers you the best views in the area, aside from maybe taking a helicopter tour, which would cost a bunch more. To get there, we managed to hop in the back of this little minibus for like $1. Maybe 8 minutes later, we jumped off at the intersection of the main road and the road to the Rock. If you remember from the last video, we have our friend Kale with us for a bit as well. The 3 of us hopped in a small tuk-tuk, and for maybe another couple bucks, he drove us to the base of the rock. From here, you pay the entrance fee of about $5 a person and start walking. I played spike ball yesterday in Medellin for like 4 hours with some very competitive spike ballers. I'm extremely sore. Also hadn't really done much post getting COVID, but the weather's nice. Kale's here. We're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna hike up these stairs. It's like 750 of them. The graffiti thing is not cool, but the rock is cool. Wow, it is popping here. A lot of tourists, mostly I think locals. A lot of day trippers from Medellin. That looks pretty intimidating. The highest point of the rock is at 7,012 feet above sea level, and the average temperature is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go, we hit our first 100. Only need to do that times 7.5.
Hola, hola.
Hola.
Bienvenidos, Colombia.
After enjoying the views and sitting for a drink, we made our way back down and back to town. For day 2, we're going out for breakfast because it's super cheap and the portions are very generous.
morning, Jeremy and I are here at Hotel Los Recuerdos in Guatape, Colombia, and we are about to go get out on that boat and take a journey around the lake with some lunch, a hot tub, some drinks, and see some of the pretty views here in Guatape. Jeremy and I have been traveling almost 3 months now, and we realize our Spanish is getting harder and harder to communicate and understand. We started off in Costa Rica, made our way to Panama, and now in Colombia. And the farther and farther we go, the harder and harder it is to understand the language with the locals. It's just faster and more different than we're used to.
Before we board, here are some gorgeous perspectives from the drone. I love that thing. Notice the jacuzzis on the top corners, 4 total. Such an interesting landscape here with so many roads leading to more and more unique places you could stay. If we had more time, we definitely would have rented a moped or something to go explore. Anyway, let's enjoy this boat.
Okay, es muy alto, solamente. Here's Jeremy about to board the Yate Majestic boat here in Guatape. Here's a nice view of it.
Alright, we're going in the hot tub.
Bienvenidos, Colombia.
That wraps up the boat trip, and we made it back to town for a drizzly dinner and a nice evening. For day 3 of our Guatape itinerary, we have no agenda, and that's how we like it. Guatape is home to around 5,500 people and is known as one of the most colorful and beautiful towns in all of Colombia. Be sure to give yourself some time to walk around, turn random corners, play follow the leader, take some touristy Instagram photos, and simply admire the intricacies of this adorable small town. Before we wrap up, we might as well show you a bit of the other apartment at Casa Dodo that our host graciously upgraded us to simply out of generosity because it was available.
Pay that our Airbnb host said no one's in it, and if you wanted the bigger space, you go right ahead. Oh my gosh, balconies, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Oh my gosh, all the space and the lighting for me to teach and cook. This is stunning. Kitchen area, and look at this. Wow, I'm so excited.
That does it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We really enjoyed our time in Guatape, Colombia, and we truly hope this 3-day itinerary helps you plan your trip so you can go experience it too. Thank you. Like the video, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.